So today I'll be showing you how I prepare the original traditional coconut rice. This coconut rice is just the way that I learned it from my first auntie. Yes, just pour in your coconut milk inside the pot. After that, we are going to add your ingredients. In here, I have blended the onions, pepper, crayfish, dawa, that is iru. That is what I'm using to substitute seasoning cubes. So I have blended them so nicely and they're very thick. That's why they're not coming out of the blender. So I'm going to add some of them to the pot. I think I actually poured all of them in the pot, yes. And after that, I will stir very well to incorporate. After they have well incorporated, I'll go ahead and add my washed rice. You can boil your rice or wash it. Just gently pour it inside the coconut milk, and the color is just like this. At some point, not at some point, the one that I know earlier is white color, but these ones have, brown color, maybe because of the crayfish and the iru that I blended. After that, I'll go ahead and add some salt. After adding salt, I'll add a crayfish. This recipe required lots of crayfish, but I'm not going to add all of them because I'll add the rest of the crayfish at the end of when the rice is almost cooked. So after that, I'm going to stir very well to incorporate very nicely. Yes, and you add some fish if you want. So I'm adding some grated Banga fish, dry fish, to give it very good taste. And that is it. Let us cover it and allow it to bring to boil before we go ahead and add the remaining ingredients. And this is it. It have brought to boil, and I am going to cover it again and allow it to dry off some water, because at this point I don't want to add anything. So what I'm adding in here is grated coconut, grated one, so that you can be biting it in chunks as you enjoy the fried rice, no as you enjoy the coconut rice. And I'll also go ahead and pour in the remaining crayfish. That's for seasoning, which is salt, or you are seasoning if you're using seasoning. I'll also add red chili pepper. This recipe required a pepper, habanero pepper. I have the fish I'll be using to enjoy it, which is a salmon fish. I think I added some chunks of meat there just to add it inside. You stir them all together to combine, and I'm going to cover it until the waters are all dry of your coconut rice is ready. Authentic village coconut rice, I'm telling you. And at this point, this is how they are looking. They have all dried of water and it's looking very nice. And I want to plate it. There's this plating I'm seeing recently in a social platform. I'm going to try my own. This is, you just put a little bowl inside your plate and then go ahead and cover all of them with rice. After that, the only way for you to make a very nice plating is take a stapler and make sure that you design them very flat on top of the plate, exactly what I'm doing. And after that, I'm going to take a bigger plate and turn it over. Let's see what it's gonna look like. The thing is that I want to make a hole inside of the rice so that I can put my fish inside. It's just a design. Yes, all this design makes somebody to want to dive into your food when you serve them. So this is the pot the plate I'm actually going to use. At this point, I'm going to flip it over. What do we have here? Let's open it and see what we have here. Ta-da! Open now. And this is it. This is what the rice will be looking like. Now I'll put my fish inside there. Sometimes you can also make another creamy sauce sauce for the fish. That is how I did it in my first video of coconut rice. And that is it, the end of the coconut rice, and it tastes local. Yes, local is all the way good. Thank you so much for watching. Everything was looking so nice. I so much enjoyed it, especially this dried salmon. Thank you. I will see you in my next one. Bye.